Top 10 habits that make you smarter. We all have those moments where we feel like we're not living up to our full potential. We know we're capable of so much more, but we just can't seem to get there. Maybe you've tried various methods to improve your cognitive function, but nothing seems to work. If that's the case, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to share with you the top 10 habits that can help you reach your full potential and become smarter, sharper, and more focused than ever before. These habits are simple, easy to implement, and most importantly, effective. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you'll see a profound impact on your cognitive function that will help you achieve your goals and reach your full potential. So, get ready to take some notes, because these habits are about to change the game for you. Whether you're looking to become the best version of yourself or simply want to keep your brain in tip-top shape, this video is for you. Let's dive in and discover the top 10 habits that can make you smarter. Number 1. Reading. Regular reading has been shown to change the structure of the brain and improve cognitive function, as well as develop critical thinking skills. Reading can also reduce stress and is a great way to unwind. Making a habit of reading for at least 30 minutes a day can benefit overall cognitive health, regardless of the content being read. And if you're someone who struggles to find the time to read, consider listening to audiobooks or podcasts. This way, you can still consume information while driving, exercising, or doing other tasks. So, go ahead and grab that book you've been meaning to read or download that audiobook, and start incorporating reading into your daily routine. Your brain will thank you. Number 2. Writing. Writing is a beneficial activity for your brain that helps you to organize your thoughts and think critically and creatively. It also helps in identifying patterns in thinking and gaining new insights and perspectives. Additionally, it is a therapeutic activity that can help you process emotions and reduce stress and anxiety, leading to better mental health and well-being. So, if you're not already in the habit of writing regularly, now is the time to start. Try to incorporate writing into your daily routine, whether it's writing in a journal, drafting emails, or jotting down ideas for your next project. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect or even make sense to anyone else. The act of writing itself is what matters. So grab a pen and paper or open up your laptop and start writing your way to a smarter brain. Number 3. Learning a new language. Learning a new language is a mentally challenging task that can improve cognitive abilities, including memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. It can also broaden cultural horizons and help connect with people from different parts of the world. With language learning resources easily accessible online, it has become easier than ever to start learning a new language. So, if you're looking to challenge yourself and keep your brain sharp, consider learning a new language. Whether it's Spanish, French, Mandarin, or any other language that interests you, the benefits for your brain and overall well-being are well worth the effort. So go ahead and sign up for that language course or download that language learning app and start speaking your way to a smarter brain. Number 4. Learning new things. Learning new things has numerous benefits for personal growth and development, and it also helps to improve cognitive function and protect against cognitive decline. Learning creates new neural pathways in the brain and keeps us curious and engaged with the world around us, boosting our confidence and self-esteem. With abundant online resources, it's easy to start learning new things. Whether it's taking a cooking class, learning a new instrument, or mastering a new hobby, the benefits for your brain and overall well-being are numerous. So, make it a habit to learn something new every day. Whether it's a new word, a historical fact, or a new skill. Remember, it's never too late to start learning, and your brain will thank you for it. Number 5. Playing brain games. Brain games are a fun and accessible way to keep your brain active and exercise your cognitive abilities such as memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. They are easily accessible online and can be addictive and enjoyable, making them a convenient way to keep your brain engaged and motivated. So, if you're looking for a fun and effective way to boost your brain power, try incorporating brain games into your daily routine. Whether it's playing a game on your phone during your morning commute or solving a crossword puzzle before bed, you'll be giving your brain the workout it needs to stay sharp and healthy. Number 6. Exercise. Regular physical exercise is beneficial for both the body and brain. Studies have shown that exercise improves cognitive function, memory, and attention span by increasing blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new brain cells, and producing brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that aids in cognitive function and reduces the risk of cognitive decline. Even 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day, such as walking, running, swimming, or cycling, can improve brain function. Group exercise classes and team sports can also provide social engagement that is beneficial for the brain. So, if you're looking to improve your cognitive function and boost your brain power, make sure to incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Whether it's a brisk walk around the block, a gym workout, or a dance class, your brain will thank you for it. Number 7. Eating a healthy diet. Eating a healthy and balanced diet is crucial for promoting brain health, as the brain needs a variety of nutrients to function correctly. Nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein, provide essential nutrients that are beneficial for cognitive function. Foods such as fish, nuts, and olive oil are also great for brain health, as they contain omega-3 fatty acids that protect against cognitive decline. Additionally, a diet high in antioxidants found in foods like blueberries, spinach, and dark chocolate can help protect the brain from oxidative stress. On the other hand, consuming a diet high in saturated fat, sugar, and processed foods can negatively impact cognitive function and increase the risk of cognitive decline. To improve brain health, it is essential to prioritize a healthy and balanced diet. Number 8. Getting enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for brain function, regulating mood, attention, and decision-making. Sleep deprivation can have significant negative effects on cognitive function, including impaired memory, reduced attention span, and decreased problem-solving ability. Studies have shown that chronic sleep deprivation can increase the risk of developing neurological disorders and weaken the immune system. To optimize brain function and overall health, adults should aim for 7-8 hours of sleep per night and establish healthy sleep habits such as a consistent sleep schedule and avoiding caffeine and electronics before bedtime. Number 9. Meditation. Meditation is an ancient practice that has gained popularity due to its potential benefits for mental and physical health. Studies suggest that regular meditation can reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and stress. It can also enhance emotional regulation and induce feelings of calmness and relaxation. Additionally, it has been found that meditation can alter the structure of the brain by increasing the size of the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, problem-solving, and self-control. On the other hand, it decreases the activity of the amygdala, a part of the brain that processes emotions like fear and stress. Meditation can be done in different ways and requires only a few minutes a day to be effective. Number 10. Socializing. Socializing with others is important for maintaining good mental health and overall well-being. Social activities can help reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, which are associated with negative health outcomes. Engaging in social activities can also stimulate the brain and keep it active, as social interactions involve conversations, problem-solving, and other mental exercises. Additionally, social activities often involve physical activity, which provides additional health benefits such as improving mood, reducing stress, and boosting brain function. Thus, it is important to make time for social activities to maintain good mental and physical health. So, there you have it, the top 10 habits that can make you smarter. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can help improve your cognitive function, boost brain power, and keep your brain healthy and active for years to come. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest insights on personal development and self-improvement, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We promise to bring you more informative and engaging videos to help you become the best version of yourself.